Today I'm gonna open Pikmi Pops. So it's already open because I don't know when it gets ripped. Oh. Something going on. Oh! Oh, I don't need that. Now let's open it. There's some sort. Oh, we need some scissors. Scissors. What's this? Get like this big. Oh, rip. To open it. The tape? I knew it. I know the tape. I didn't saw it. 2, and there's one on the bottom. Okay, is there any more? Oh, come on! I forgot these. Be careful. Turn this. Oh, I can pull it out. So there's the openness. I can smell it already. There's a little hole. Oh. Wow, it smells good. I love it. And also just surprises that I just saw it on the sign. Look at that beautiful rainbow tail. It's fuzzy, and also the other one. Look at this horn. And also the surprises. My mom gave me the scissors. Got this. Here. 5 plus. Oh, 6-year-old. Look at this. What is this? It's a bracelet. Let me try it on. Wow. And also there's a little unicorn donut. So cute. And also this looks like a necklace for the dog. Ooh. That looks pretty.
Okay. Next.
Ooh, and wow, I love it. I love it. And also it smells good. Oh, I was like in the toilet like this. I'm gonna name this unicorn Rainbow. This is 5 plus. I'm 6-year-old. Oh, put that on. I'm gonna flip it. Oh. Wow, this is amazing sticker. And I don't know what happened to this. Oh. And also you can like take it out. And look, there's a key. And like this here is, and there's a hole. There's a key chain here. So I'm gonna put it on. And the last one. Open it. Just rip it. And wait, what was that? It's another tattoo.
What is that?
I don't know. And guys, look at this. There's a collection you can collect. There's like so many collections. Oh my gosh. Wait, I saw a bunny one. Buddy! It's a smell of, and also look at the smells of scents. Here, they're tiny, but you can still see it. A bee one, cat one, and what is that? Bird, and also a turtle. I had so much fun. Bye, everyone.